selfies or photos of themselves beside dead celebrities' tombs. Patricia De Leon has that story.
Visiting their departed may not be the only reason why some people troop to cemeteries on November 1st. Because for some, it's an opportunity to whip out their cell phones and post beside tombs of celebrities for some photo ops, or to take what has become popularly known as selfies. Ryan Castro jostled with the crowd just so he can come to the Loyola Memorial Park in Marikina. Nope, he doesn't have a single relative buried there. He took time out to be in the cemetery just so he can visit the grave site of his idol, the late Francis Magalona.
Binurog siya dyan sa may Green Meadows Chapel sa Quezon City. Pumunta kami doon, mga kaibigan ko, para makita yung burol ni Francis Lim. Tapos yung nilibing siya dito sa Loyola, pumunta rin kami dito. Yun, nakakalungkot din. Siyempre, nahangamin tao, iniidolo mo, tapos ganun mangyayari sa kanya.
Fans of the late actress Nida Blanca were also seen posing for pictures beside her gravesite. The late actress's relatives say this is a normal scenario during All Saints and All Souls Day.
Nag-start pa sila nung 30. Nandito na sila lahat. Kahapon, nandito rin. Marami rin sila. Kaninang umaga, madami pong dumating. May mga nagpapa-picture taking pa. Kasama yung picture ng Tita Dory. May humahalik pa sa picture niya. Sa tagal ng namatay siya ng 2001 pa hanggang ngayon, sila pa rin yung pupunta, hindi sila nakakalimot. Talagang halatang love nila si Miss Nida Blanca.
The caretaker of the late Johnny Delgado's tomb says that a lot of people usually asks about the actor's tomb.
Marami yung mga dumadalo po. Tinatanong nila kung saan nakalibing si Sir Johnny. Oo, ayun, nagpipicturean po sila.
Around 20 famous personalities are buried at the Loyola Memorial Park, including the late 70s child star Julie Vega, veteran radio anchor Tiadeli Magpayo, actor Jay Ilagan, and the late newspaper publisher Betty Gobelmonte. As tens of thousands of visitors usually gather here, head of Loyola Memorial Services Department Zeni Albania says their police and security personnel will be on continuous patrol.